where we share good things, but the focus is mostly on music. It's a little bit of chaos. Sorry.
Is it sometimes stressful, the classroom atmosphere, or?
It is a little bit, just because it's my first year at a new school, and so we're still kind of establishing our routine. I try to play as much as possible with the kids, because that's why they joined. So generally, like, they come in, I try to always greet them at the door. We fist bump on the way in the door, so that way they have a positive interaction on the way in. And then, like, today, like on Friday, we do Feel Good Friday. We do good things, where we share good things, but the focus is mostly on music. It's a little bit of chaos because it's, 30, 40, 50 kids with instruments in a tiny little room. But I don't know, it's worth it. And like, the kids have a good time. Even today, like 6th grade, like, we kind of goofed off a little bit. I have them at the end of the day, which 6th graders at the end of the day is an adventure. But we just kind of goofed off today. They just learned Jingle Bells. So we played through Jingle Bells and messed around with it. And I don't know, like, we just have a good time. And like, I try to teach them what they need to know through music, like not just like standing at the board talking at them. I feel like even I struggle, like, teachers, we talk too much, like, and it's something that I try to get better about doing.